When you listen to love, you're gonna turn it up. You're gonna turn it up. You're gonna turn it up. When we are in love, all eyes on us. All eyes on us. All eyes on us. They looking at us. They looking at us. They looking at us. Everybody in the club. All eyes on us. All eyes on us. All eyes on us. I wanna scream and shout and let it all out. And scream and shout and let it out. We say no, we are, we are, we are. We say no, we are, we are, we are. I wanna scream and shout and let it all out. And scream and shout and let it out. We say no, we are, we are, we are. You are down, rockin' with Will I Am it?
Okay, so I'm gonna request for you to stand up. Stand up, everybody. I'm requesting to all stand up and please shout. Cause please welcome the founders of the Unstoppable Dance Group, Myra. Okay, so I was requested or I was advised to call on Mr. Rolly, the president, founder, and CEO of Taste of Manila. Yes, nakausap ko siya kanina. Please give a round of applause. Hello po, sir.
Alright, mabuhay kayong lahat, ano? Non-stoppable. No, but before I like to acknowledge the president of CEO of the UDG, Unstoppable Group Dance, you know? And also I would like to acknowledge happy birthday, Evelyn! Happy birthday! And in behalf of Group of Taste of Manila and Taste of Manila Corporation, would like to acknowledge the director over there, my table, Nieves Magante, and my daughters, and Group of Taste of Manila at the table. And I would like also to acknowledge the 100% performance of Dance UDG yesterday sa National Heritage Month. Ano po, napakaganda po ng kanilang ginawa kahapon. Although na may mga pagkakataong hindi magandang panahon, pero ang event ay napakaganda po dahil sa kanilang ginawang performance. And rest assured that the Taste of Manila and National Heritage is support 100% to your group. And I would like to acknowledge also this coming Taste of Manila, August 17 and 18, magpe-perform po kayo doon sa Street Festival ng Taste of Manila. And I would like to invite everyone to our event for the 11th years of Taste of Manila and Wilson and Butters. At maraming salamat po sa inyong mainit na pag-imbita sa amin ngayong gabi. Ay napakasarap din po ng pagkain at napakaganda ng inyong mga performance ngayong gabi. At maraming pong salamat sa organizer, sa volunteers at sa mga ating mga guests ngayong gabi. At continuing your program, and also once again rest assured that the Taste of Manila and National Heritage Month will support 100% po kami nasa likod ninyo. And maraming pong salamat. Maraming salamat. Once again, happy birthday, Evelyn. And thank you again. Very unstoppable yesterday. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Ano po? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Rolly. And yun, so sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Taste of Manila, malapit na po, di ba, sir? Malapit na po, malapit na. Okay, so, ready na ba kayo makita ang mga performances? Medyo mahina. Ready na ba kayo makita ang performances? Ba't yung echo parang naririnig ko na si Lord? Sa echo. Parang natatak ko na si Lord. Okay, so before po yung performances, this is just an announcement for our official photographers and videographers. Sa mga nag-aano po ng cellphone, if you can go sa likod po nila, or stay behind them, that would be great. Para po meron po kasi tayong official photographer and videographer. Opo, kanina daw po yung cellphone na yan. Opo, ipaparakol na po natin. Okay. Table number. Kanino po itong cellphone? Huwag po kayo mag-iya. O, titignan ko po kung kanino po itong Facebook na itong naka-live. Hello po. Hindi daw nakabukas yung cellphone. Again. Ayan. Bukas na po? Bukas na po ang cellphone? Okay. Akin na po. Gusto niyo po hawakan ko? Ay, oo. Hoy!
Hoy, asan na Benji?
Ayan, ipaparaffle ko na talaga tong cellphone na to.
Sa akin.
Okay, ready? Ay, eto na pala sila. Hindi pa na natawag. Okay. Yan, nakikita nyo na. Nagdidebate pa sila. Ang gaganda. Okay. so just to give you a heads up, we do have 2 cameras here in front, and then there's another one at the back. Okay? Ready?
Ay, mag-aaway ba po pala ata sila? Mag-aaway pa po ba kayo? O, sige. Pwede na po tayo magsimula.
Balot! Penoy! O, saan daw ba ang harap? Doon daw po sa likod ang harap. Oh, ready now.
Yes, opo. Haharap po sila dyan. Huwag po kayong mag-alala. O, haharap po. Huwag po kayong matakot. Haharapin po nila kayo. Ready! Pakitabi po yung mga bata dahil mabubugbog po yung mga bata. Diyos ko, Lord.
Okay. Ready na po ang music?
Yung music po, ready na.
Okay, again. Again. Okay, wag po muna tayo maghanap. Let's go. Ready? The Unstoppable Dance Group!
Inaantay na lang po.
Opo. Oh, syempre, kilala naman na natin. So, while waiting for the photographer, okay na ba? Okay. Okay. Ready na po. Ready. Ready. Okay, again. Please give a round of applause for the Unstoppable Dance Group!
ulit po ito. Patayin ko na po kayo. Para ready po tayo. Para hindi po nabibigla yung DJ natin. Sino po ba ang gigitna? Ay, yung cellphone niyo po. Okay. May lawyer po ba dito? Ipaglaban mo nga po itong mga dancer na nandito kasi hindi po nila malaman kung saan ano eh. Ready na po? Ready na po ang GAFA? Okay. Music, ready na po? Oh, your phone is locked. Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's wait. Okay, while waiting, syempre, what's your name? Arlene. What's your name?
Joan Grace.
Joan Grace. Gusto niyo po pati apelido? Isa mo na. Okay.
Josephine.
Josephine. Okay.
Sally.
Sally. Gusto ko yung hair niya. Yes. And last but not the least,
Margie Dawson.
Miss Margie Dawson. Okay, ready na po ang ating music? Ready na po. Again, palakpakan po natin. GAFA!
Just put your paws up, 'cause you were born this way, baby.
Okay po, pangalawa po ulit.
download.
Yes, ano po yun? Ay, may nagtumawag. Ay, nawalan po tayo ng internet. Ayan, sige po, take two. Take two. Siyempre, malakpakan po natin ulit sila. Warm up. It's a warm up.
It doesn't matter if you love him.
Let's welcome
H-I-M.
GAFA!
Just put your paws up, 'cause you were born this way, baby. My mama told me when I was young, we are all superstars. She rolled my hair with my lipstick on, in a glass of purple dry. There's nothing wrong with loving who you are.
Okay. So before anything else, we're gonna do raffle. Yes, we're gonna do a raffle, and may I please call on Miss MJ for the raffle. Yeah, so this raffle is actually sponsored by Mitsify Canada and Entertainment Productions. Yes. Okay, so yes, so nakikita niyo po ba yung red na bag? Yun po ang mga ipaparaffle. That is actually from Mitsify. MJ, from MJ. Yes. Yan, ang ating mga models. Ang models. Yes. Miss Evelyn, Miss G, Miss Myra, and Carol. Ah. Ayan, ang ruleta. Lahat po ba nag-register? Lahat po? Hala! Mag-a-accept pa po ba? Okay, syempre. Sasayaw po ba kayo? Ay, kilala ko po ito. Ay, Diyos ko naman. Mami po ito naka-co-dancer ko before. Yes. Si Key. I dance with her sa GMA Sparkles. Yes po. Hindi pa napunit. Pakipunit naman po, madam. Opo. Sige, punitin niya lang po. Yan. Welcome po. So, sa lahat po ng gustong humabol, pakibilis po. Meron pa po ba? Wala na? Okay. Madam. May humahabol pa. Yes. Malay nyo. Meron po tayong ilan pong bags yan? Meron po tayong 2, 3 paper bag. Yes. It's a special prizes from Mitsify Canada. From MJ. So this 3 gifts is actually from Miss MJ. Yes. Okay. May mga models tayo. Okay. Okay, so the first winner. Sasayaw pa muna ako. Okay, the first number would be 0304. Mabigat daw po. Mabigat nga. Andito yung cellphone ni Miss Myra. 304. Meron pa? Meron? Wala. 304. Ay, DJ natin! Palakpakan natin ang DJ! Okay. Yan, 304. Mabigat. Let's go. Yes. Tama po. What's your name po, sir? This is Owen. Owen, our DJ for tonight. Okay. Second raffle for tonight. Okay. First number is 0, 3. Kuya, kanina. 2. Sino dito ay 0, 3, 2, 1! Ay, gusto ko yung tayo ni Mana. Parang umahon. Let's go. Sample. Hey! according to Miss Evelyn, we're gonna announce the best outfit for tonight. Yes.
We're gonna be giving a ticket for Sankey's Lola. Actually, Mr. Nelson Tolentino is one of the producer of this Sankey's Lola. Okay? If you would like to purchase the tickets, Unstoppable have one on hand. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. And the best outfit for female award is
Yes, yan.
and the best male outfit award goes to the male best outfit is Mr. Anael.
Mr. Anael!
The one who wearing the blue.
Sino?
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Yes.
Okay.
Wearing a royal blue.
Strictly no black po kasi tayo. Kaya yung mga naka-black dyan, sorry po kayo. Next time po. Better luck next time. Right. Enjoy po kayo. Sasayaw po kami dyan.
Okay, thank you so much for the raffle. Palakpakan naman natin ang UTG! Yes. Okay, so next one. Let's see. Ladel. Yes. Nandito na po ba ang Ladel? Magdi-discuss pa po sila kung ilang beses po yung kasama. No? Oo. Yes. Take two po yun lagi. Minimum take two. Opo. Hindi po dito sasama sa program na ito pag take one lang. Hindi po kami tumatanggap ng take one. Yes.
So for those who don't understand what I'm saying, we don't accept take one. This is just always take two. Yes.
Okay? Oh. Madam says, it's only take one. What's your name? Mercy. Mercy! Sasayaw po sila. Yan. Pero syempre, hindi po mawawala yung mag-aaway. Yes.
Kahit take one, mag-aaway pa din.
Okay? So, dyan na po yung last na harap nyo, hindi na po kaya haharap dito. Kasi po yung kanina, ginoke niya po kami. Dito po sila nakaharap, biglang humarap dun. Ah! Okay po. Ready? Nagalit ulit si Mama Rose.
Ayan na. Take two na nga.
Okay, let's give it up! Let's give it up for si Kuya Edgar dito, habang sumasayaw sila, one take lang yan, one take lang yan. Oo nga, Kuya, kalahati na. Yes, again. Your round of applause to Ladelle. Thank you so much for the beautiful number. Okay? Yes. And again, actually, our next performer before I call on, we do have a simple announcement. Like, mayroon pong ano po ba doon? Naglilibot-libot. And they're actually offering 50-50 raffle. Okay? They're actually asking if you want to purchase a 50-50 raffle. If you don't know what 50-50 raffle is, yung 50% po ng makukuha nila, ang malilikom from the raffle ticket, would be donated po or may beneficiary po sa Pilipinas. Okay? So, yung beneficiary po natin is, thank you so much for you, DJ, for doing this. Kasi po, yung matutulungan po nila is, she is muted since she was 5 years old. And she fell off the well. Ano po to yung parang balon sa Pilipinas. So they said also she was abused and been taking advantage of the people until she got mentally sick and put her in the small cage. So this 50-50 raffle is, the purpose of this is to build just a small place for her with a toilet bowl. Kasi parang wala po ata siyang place to stay, na parang nilagay lang siya sa cage before. Yes. So, for those who's interested, meron pong lumilibot. You can actually purchase this 50-50 raffle. Ito po si Madam. Yan. Ulit daw po, ulit. Kailangan po yung, medyo may sakit po yung yung DJ. Yung phone po, yung phone. Yes. Okay? Ready na po? Datingin na po na pang gamot. Ready? Again, palakpakan po natin! Nag-Granday!
Il est tombé sous le charme, enchanté de la vie. Il voulait que je sois sa femme. Je voulais qu'on reste amis. T'as fait toutes sortes d'activités. T'as même prétendu être gay pour enfin me voir. Tu es entré dans ma vie, on s'est permis, mais t'as vu au jour en tête. Allez, viens chez moi et ferme-la par derrière toi. Tu es entré dans ma vie, on s'est permis, mais t'as vu au jour en tête. Allez, viens chez moi et ferme-la par derrière toi. Je parle la bouche pleine, mais je mâche pas mes mots. Et si tu viens chez moi, tu seras dans ton beau drap. Je sais très bien ce qu'elles veulent. Dis-leur à toutes que je suis la seule. J'en ai assez entendu. Tu es entré dans ma vie, on s'est permis, mais t'as vu au jour en tête. Allez, viens chez moi et ferme-la par derrière toi. Tu es entré dans ma vie, on s'est permis, mais t'as vu au jour en tête. Allez, viens chez moi et ferme-la par derrière toi. Tu mouilles des fleurs que tu te jettes, car tes chocolats d'oseille. Je te laisse crier, je suis camarade, car j'aime te voir quand tu t'éclates. Je Tout pas peut être jamais. Ici on joue, ici on joue, ici on joue dans.
That's a very, very nice performance. Let's give a round of applause again to Igrenze! Yes, the effort that they made, the costume and all. Ayan na. Yes, may mga nakikita na ako exchange costume. Okay, so, the next one that we have a raffle again po. Yes, may mga raffle. So, mga sa hindi mo nabunot kanina, you have a chance now. Okay? Yes. Okay, so, ilan po ang bubunutin sa raffle? I need the counters again. Yes! Can I call on one of the member or one of the representative of IACC? IACC. One of the member or one of your representative? Isasama po sa lahat. Yes. Yes. Si Miss Honey, if I'm not wrong. Yes. Si Miss Honey Stinson. She's the one who actually gave the opening prayer earlier. Yes. Okay? So while we're waiting po for the raffle, ano po bang meaning ng IACC?
IACC stands for International Alliance Club of Canada. Hold on. Where's Russell?
International Court.
Ano ba siya? Okay. Yeah.
Ano ba yung
I
ICC
don't know
sa
where's
akin?
Gloria. Glory B.
Ha?
Are you here?
Ha?
ICC. Okay.
ICC.
Okay, anyway. So, saan kami kukuha ng ano pa rin? Sa tickets. Okay. Okay,
Ang
so
galing
we
nito,
would like
ha?
to let you
Makakuha
know
ko
na
sa iyo,
yung
ha?
iparapon namin
Makakuha ko sa iyo, ha?
some, na malaki, but it's something that you
Mamaya,
guys
kukuha
can
na kita.
use
Kukuha kita.
sa bahay nyo para
Isisingle out kita nito.
Yeah.
Ay, nag-ano po kayo?
No. First, we'd like to give it to the birthday celebrants. So, I'm going to call Darling Evelyn. Para nagluto-up na kami sa bahay mo.
Yan. Nagagamit daw sa pagluluto. Baka po kalan. Ay, hindi po. Yeah, picture po, picture. Picture with IACC.
Kayo po, ikaw.
O yan, video na lang. Thank you.
CDG.
One photo for...
Bakit wala ka dito?
Yes.
Mariker.
Akala ko po kausap niya yung English na photographer.
Ikaw, madam.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, yes. From...
Yeah, that's me. Tapos pagkakuhan, baka ano pa nang ilagay na sa
Okay, that was winning number. Winning tickets.
Pero, katrobak.
My zero.
Hanapin mo sa katrobak.
My 1, 0, 1, 5, 2, 0, 1, 5, 2.
Spelling, ha? No, spelling.
Move it. Let's go. 0, 1, 5, 2, 0, 1, 5, 2. Come on, move it. Move it, move it. Oh, si sir. Oh, ayun na.
Nandito, di ko suman. Di ba spelling? Lagyan mo ng hashtag.
Okay, next one.
Hashtag mo muna.
Oh, photo opportunity for the winner. Ate Emily. Okay, next one. Second winner.
Okay, second winner. Raffle ticket number 0, 0140. Come on, move it, move it. Come on.
Okay. Number 0140. Going one. Going twice.
Okay, come on. Come on, move it, move it. 0140.
Meron mo ba?
There you go.
Okay, so going once.
Come on.
Going twice. Okay, I think no one actually got it.
Okay, third winning ticket. Number 0067. 0067. Woo! Again. This guy is always good. Every time we get the ticket. Go, I know.
Congratulations.
Lucky guy. Next
Yes.
time, point niya. Okay, the third winning ticket.
Okay.
02. 0204. 204. Wow, tumatakbo siya.
Ayun, tumatakbo ang robot.
0204. Ayun na. Kakaway.
Yes.
Okay, so last ticket. Holding. Magkasunod na. Ano ba sunod ng 4? 5. Holding. Panalo ka na. 020525.
Number 0205.
Kanina naman 205 naman yun. Oh, wow. Congratulations. 0205.
0205. Check your tickets.
Come on.
Calling you.
What else?
Going once.
Oh, hindi. Hold on.
Sandali, hopya daw. Hopya man ni popcorn. Sino po
0205 205. Come on. Okay lang. Busy sila.
Going twice.
Wow. Time out.
Yes, ano po?
Time out. Wow, Ate Norma, where is her ticket? Ate
Oh,
Norma,
sorry.
come over here.
We have our last winner.
Wow.
For this draw. Meron pa po tayo makita.
Let's congratulations, guys.
Yes, so this is our last winner for this round. We have another one next. Okay? So, sa mga hindi po pa nanalo, huwag po tayong mawala ng pag-asa. Yes. Baka housing na pa na kasunod nila.
Picture mo